Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my latest creation of King Kong in Lego Technic Elements. So it is a multifunctional model which is entirely driven by infrared remotes and a system of pneumatics. It has an imposing structure. It can stand on all fours and it can also balance its weight and stand on two legs. It has a system of two axle motors driving the front and the rear legs. These are out of sync, so the legs move to move the model front. There is a rubber sole on the inner aspect, so when the model moves it rotates slightly, and whenever the rubber sole comes in contact it creates a power stroke, making the model move front. It has the front limbs have a pneumatic attached to those on the inner aspect. The pneumatics is controlled by these two switches here. Here's the motor that drives the front and the motor that drives the rear legs. There is an air tank here which can be filled by the pneumatic pump here. Once the pump is filled with enough pressure, it can result in the movement of the front arms, so it can hammer its chest. So let's see the functions one by one. The head is on a hinge joint here. It is adjustable at different angles. The head is pretty heavy. I have used it to my advantage to balance it on two legs. This is the key that can be used to make the model stand upright. So you can just make the model stand upright and fix the key over here. When this key is attached, it stabilizes the weight of the model and it can stand upright. The weight of the head balances the model so it can stand upright. It can also walk when it is standing upright by the same mechanism. It's a pretty complicated walk by the same rotation, slight partial rotation, and the inner soles creating the traction required for the model to walk. It has a jaw that can open and close. The head can rotate by means of a turntable here, which is steered by a servo steering motor. Here is a small latch that can open the rear panel, and the pneumatic switch is under here. So the pneumatic switches control the upper arms, making it hammer the chest. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the model. Bye.